In recent decades, data has become increasingly important in our life. So how much do you know about data? Data helps humans a lot in their daily life, and data itself is so valuable. So I will introduce data modeling and database in the following slides. The first topic is data modeling. It is the analysis of data objects that are used in a business or other context. The first level is conceptual data model. A conceptual data model identifies the highest level relationships between the different entities. There are some features of conceptual data model. The first one is it includes the important entities and the relationships among them. The second, no attribute is specified. The third, no primary key is specified. The second level is logical data model. A logical data model describes the data in as much detail as possible, without regard to how they will be physically implemented in database. There are some features of a logical data model. Firstly, it includes all entities and relationships among them. Second, all attributes for each entity are specified. The third, the primary key for each entity is specified. The third level is physical data model. Physical data model represent how the model will be built in the database. And a physical data model shows all table structures, including column name, column data type, column constraints, primary key, foreign key, and relationships between tables. Also, there are some features of a physical data model. Firstly, all tables and columns. Secondly, foreign keys are usually used to identify relationships between tables. The third, denormalization may occur based on user requirement. The second topic I will talk is database. A database is a collection of information that is organized so that it can easily be accessed, managed, and updated in one view. Databases can be classified according to types of content: bibliographic, full text, numeric, and images. And there are some types of database: general interest database, discipline-specific database, and subject database. The first one is general interest databases. They are a great place to begin research or for a general topic. And there are some examples of general interest databases. The Academic Search Premier. It identifies magazine and journals articles in most subject areas. And the second one is discipline-specific databases. Discipline-based databases are more focused than genre-driven databases. These databases include materials in several related subject areas. Materials are usually only from professional trade publications and scholarly academic journals. Also, there are some examples. The Ethic Newswatch magazines. It identifies full-text access to 200 newspapers and journals of the ethnic, minority, and native press. Another one is PIES, which contains information sources for government, political science, social science, and related topics. The next one is subject-specific databases. These databases usually only contain materials from professional, trade publications and scholarly academic journals. Below are some examples. The ABI Info identifies articles on business, finance, and management topics from regional, United States, and international publications. Another one is CNAL. It's cumulative index to nursing and allied health literature, and its authoritative coverage of the literature related to nursing and allied health. In recent years, database is become part of our life. And for three reasons. The first one is for speedy. In choosing a restaurant from the Yellow Pages or Yelp, we directly use the database in a very short time, and we can find the answer very quickly. And for convenience, a hotel room is obtained by searching from a database. We can find a single room, non-smoking, or with TV, and it's easily for us to find. The third one is storage. Companies keep employees' files, keep accounting finance information and update them through database. Also, academics keep the student information and grades in database, and the country save all people's identities in huge database. In conclusion, in the presentation, I've introduced about the data modeling and database. Data plays a very essential role for technology development, and in the future, data will be in every area of our life. And thanks for viewing and listening.